Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to watch how to install landscaping in an easy way. Usually, drain cells are used in terrace gardening or planter box for easy water drainage. Before we start the video, I want to remind you, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for further notification, like, share and comment. In this project, we have used 20 mm drain cell. You can go for 30 mm or 20 mm. First, we need to install our irrigation line. After installing irrigation line, we need to clean up the area. Install the drain cells. On top of the drain cell, you need to cover the geotextile of 100 mm or 150 mm or 200 mm. Spread the sand about 1 to 1.5 inches. Now the time to fill the good soil, whatever soil in your respective areas. Mix the coco pit and manure. You can also use vermicompost. Do not use cow dung or any raw waste. Wet cow dung will help to grow weeds in your landscaping area. Avoid using cow dung. After mixing this manure, backfill this planter box or terrace area with the filled soil. You can see in this video drain cell, geotextile, sand, on the top of that good soil. After doing this, you need to irrigate the entire area. Let it soak for 1 day. After the day, you can go for installation of lawn or plantation according to your respective plan. That is all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for further notification. Like, share. Once again, thank you for watching.